Okay, now you can find that 6 samples are all kept here, and I will just explain a little bit more that you can find out. There is one inlet tube through which the water will come. This is the inlet tube, and then the water comes out through this tube, so that's an outlet tube. So this is to maintain the water level in that particular set. So the water will move through this soil and they will be collected at the bottom. So you can find out that there is a funnel which is kept there inside. So you have to collect these. So all the funnels are there. So you have to collect for each individual soil samples. Before you start releasing the water from this tank, you need to arrange a few of the things which are required for. So these are 6 beakers where you will collect the water which is coming through the soil. These are 6, and you need to have a couple of measuring cylinders of different sizes, so where you can have so if the water is coming fast, then you can use a bigger measuring cylinder. If it is slow, then you can use the smaller measuring cylinders. Yeah, now I request Sitesh to open the tap. Okay, you see that Sitesh is opening the tap, and the water will come slowly. Water is coming to this particular tank, and now the water is through these pipes. The water is going to this each set. So these 6 sets. So you can find out in some sets water is still not coming, so you need to adjust it. So now Sukram just now using the technique, and this is a bit tedious process, because here what happens is that the tubes are they are all connected properly, but they have in a different heights, and also over the course of the times they are not as much as soft as they were earlier. So in some point of time what happens is that there is either more water coming or less water coming. So you need to adjust it one. You can find out, you see that there is a lot of water which is coming there. So you need to reduce that one. So using this individual tube, you have to adjust it. So as soon as the water starts coming out, and then you will control the water which is coming in and which is going out, then you can have a steady flow. So I will take a leave now, and then we will come back once this is the samples, the water flow is maintained properly.